What's going on, guys? Kyle Finance Bro here. Today we're going to talk to you guys about NIO and a piece of news that just recently came out that I think can help raise NIO's stock price. Now, before we get into this video, I just want to ask you guys to please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps the channel out immensely, and it always reminds you guys that we post videos like this every single day. I also want to say too, if you guys want literally free money in the form of stocks, go check out our Webull link in the description. You get 4 free stocks. We get a commission. It's the best way to support the channel right now, and it's easy to do. It takes like 20 seconds, maybe a minute at most to do it, so go check that out in the description below. I also want to say too that we are not financial advisors. None of what we say on here is financial advice. We don't do pump and dump schemes. We don't give fraudulent information about stocks to pump up the price so we profit. We are just here purely for entertainment purposes only and to make analysis videos like this on stocks that we like and think are interesting. I know I've seen a lot of comments recently on our TikTok and Instagram especially saying that we're doing pump and dump schemes and that a lot of our penny stocks that we talk about are pump and dump, but I promise you that's not why we're doing them. We aren't trying to perpetrate any pump and dump schemes. We're not trying to give you guys fraudulent information to pump up a stock's price. We are purely doing it because we like the stock, we think it's interesting, and we think it's worth making a video about. And that's the nature of the market really, is that there's always going to be these speculative plays that people are unsure about. So please, if you're going to invest in anything, consult a financial advisor, do your own research and due diligence. We're not trying to tell you guys to buy any security. We would never tell you guys to buy any security or any asset. So please, do your own research, and of course watch these videos because I think they're great places to start if you want to learn about the stock market or learn a little bit about investing. But other than that, sorry for the little bit of rant there. I just wanted to clear the air a little bit and discuss something that's been going on in our comments recently. I don't want anyone to think that we're trying to scam people because we aren't. So let's get right into the video. So, NIO. One way or another, you've heard about NIO, electric car company based out of China, been doing a lot of big numbers in the last couple of months. We saw a huge run up in late Q4 of 2020. I mean, NIO's a powerhouse. It's doing really well right now, and we're seeing more and more delivery reports come out with better and better numbers each time. They're really on pace to dominate the EV market in China, maybe even the world, and I could really see them doing very well in the coming future. Now, for those of you who are maybe a little bit new to the market or don't understand why NIO is continuing to run, let me explain something. So, of course, we know that in 2020 and 2021, we saw a huge push for more environmentally friendly products. More clean energy, more sustainable products. We're seeing a bigger push towards things that are reusable and recyclable, and especially too with the car market. We're seeing almost every car manufacturer release some kind of electric alternative vehicle to get subsidies from the government because likely we're going to see more of them in the future. We know that one of the Biden administration's main goals is to create a more sustainable and healthier environment. We know that Biden just recently rejoined the Paris Climate Accords, and of course that means that obviously he's pushing for more cleaner sources of energy and a better environment. Now, what does this mean for the car markets? Well, since about 2000 or 2005, we've seen a huge switch to electric hybrid vehicles. We've seen almost every single car manufacturer start to manufacture these types of vehicles. Now, whether or not these vehicles were actually profitable or successful in their markets, not so much. You see, of course, there is a big push for environmentalism in 2020 and 2021, it seems like, but back then there wasn't as much. The government was providing subsidies, but climate change was not nearly as talked about as it is today. And that's why we're talking about this today, is because climate change is a huge factor in what's going on in today's society. We're seeing more electric cars being bought more than ever, and of course, the giant in America, Tesla, is absolutely dominating the market right now. Now, it's likely because of this, the Biden administration is going to provide more subsidies and more benefits to people who produce electric vehicles. Now, you're probably wondering, what does the Biden administration have to do with NIO? It's a Chinese company. Well, normally it wouldn't have anything to do with NIO because it is exactly a Chinese company. However, NIO is not going to stay in China forever. There's already been talks about NIO moving into Europe and expanding into their market, and of course the US eventually. This is a company that has working prototypes and is actually actively delivering vehicles to its citizens in China. That means this company is actually open for business. It's fully operational and selling real actual products to its customers. We're unsure of when this expansion will happen, but I'm likely thinking it's going to be in the next 2 to 3 years. Now, Biden, of course, did talk a lot about American-made companies and trying to get more jobs based in America, but he was not against providing subsidies and benefits to foreign manufacturers. NIO could play into this role quite nicely and could see some major market penetration in 2021 and beyond. Now, that's just a quick general explanation of what's going on with NIO in general, and maybe giving you guys a little bit of taste of why NIO is doing so well in the recent future. Now, you're probably wondering, what's this piece of news coming out for NIO and how could it affect its stock price? Well, NIO just signed a deal to build an electric vehicle industrial park. What this means is they're going to have access to more possible headquarters space and more physical real estate that they can build more parts of their company out in. This also could be a great place for NIO to test its electric vehicles at, as well as its self-autonomous driving capabilities. We know that NIO has some incredible advancements in the self-driving capability space, and we're really going to see probably a lot more of that come out in the future. This industrial park will be a great place for NIO to further facilitate its expansion into different markets, and I can't wait to see when it's done. I'm really looking forward to NIO's continued growth in the market, and I think at $56 a share, it's pretty underpriced right now. Only time will tell if these things really affect NIO's stock price majorly, but again, this company was once worth $12 a share, and it's seen such an incredible run up in the past couple of months that I have a lot of confidence in it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys own shares of NIO or any electric car company for that matter. Also, leave a comment down below on what stock we should analyze next. Your guys' suggestions are always appreciated. I just wanted to do a quick general video talking about NIO with a little piece of news about what's going on recently with them. I feel like these types of videos where we give you guys a very general overview of some of these companies are helpful because there's a lot of noise going on in the markets right now and a lot of people don't really know where to look. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys today. If it was, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel out immensely and reminds you guys that we upload videos like this every single day. I also want to say too, if you guys want 4 free stocks with Webull, check out the Webull link in the description below. It's an affiliate link, so we get a commission. It's the best way to support the channel currently, and it helps us out a ton. Also want to say too, we are not financial advisors, of course. This is not financial advice. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.